Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log into your Bumble account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you will need to open your Bumble application. Once you have done that, you will see two options, that is either to continue with Facebook or use your mobile number. Here I am going to use mobile number. Here, due to some privacy reason, I am not being able to record this part, but on your screen, you will need to provide your mobile number now. Tap on the arrow on the right side of your screen. For confirmation, tap on OK. And once you have done that, you will receive a 6-digit verification code. Simply enter that 6-digit verification code. And that is how you can easily log into your Bumble account using your mobile number. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.